the Pi nodes have evolved.
And Pi data centers represent the next leap in computing power. What started as community-powered computing is evolving into something much larger. Each XFRA node is about the size of a home air conditioning unit, but contains enterprise-grade AI hardware.
Each unit includes 16 NVIDIA RTX PRO 6000 Blackwell Server Edition GPUs, 4 AMD EPYC.
The hardware value of a single XFRA node exceeds $200,000.
The system connects directly to residential power infrastructure through intelligent electrical panels.
Most American homes use only 40 to 60% of their electrical capacity during normal operation.
Unused power can be redirected to support artificial intelligence workloads.
Each installation includes a 15 kilowatt-hour energy storage system for stability and backup.
SPAN has partnered with major home builder PulteGroup to install these systems in newly constructed houses.
The first pilot deployment is expected to launch with 100 nodes during late 2026.
The initial pilot project will generate approximately 1.2 megawatts of computing capacity.
SPAN estimates that 8,000 nodes could rival the computing power of a traditional 100-megawatt data center.
The company claims deployment costs could be 80% lower than centralized infrastructure.
Deployment speed could also be 6 times faster than conventional construction methods.
But the idea of distributed computing did not begin with SPAN.
Back in June 2020, Pi Network officially introduced community-operated nodes.
Instead of relying on centralized servers, Pi encouraged users to operate nodes from their own computers.
From bedrooms, offices, and small businesses, a worldwide network gradually emerged.
According to Pi Network data released in March 2026, more than 421,000 nodes were active globally.
Initially, these nodes focused on consensus mechanisms and transaction verification.
Community discussions later expanded toward decentralized artificial intelligence and distributed computing services.
Although the technologies differ, both systems share a surprisingly similar philosophy.
Both place computing resources directly inside communities, rather than concentrating them in massive facilities.
Pi relies on existing community-owned computers, while SPAN deploys specialized enterprise hardware.
The rapid growth of artificial intelligence is driving unprecedented demand for computing power.
Industry forecasts suggest future AI infrastructure could consume electricity equivalent to millions of households. Distributed computing models are attracting increasing attention as a possible solution.
Tomorrow's data infrastructure may exist much closer to users than ever before.
From Pi nodes in 2020
To SPAN's Blackwell-powered infrastructure in 2026.
a powerful trend is becoming visible. Disclaimer: Talks Channel shares cryptocurrency and technology news for entertainment and educational purposes only.
We do not encourage investment or provide financial advice.
Thank you for watching.
Please like,
Please like, subscribe, and support the channel for more technology and crypto updates.